Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to unboxing two brand new rings from MSBLUE. In the meantime, I will do some comparison and talk about why I choose them. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing first. So while we are doing unboxing, I will briefly talk about this company. MSBLUE is a global expert in lab-created natural gemstone, moissanite, and lab-grown diamonds engagement ring, fine jewelry with an innovative design and craftsmanship in every phase of production. The brand was founded in 2018 and now they have an online store. This time I picked the two engagement ring. This is the first one. It is a 3-carat 3-stone princess engagement ring. How stunning it is. The second one, it is a 1.5 carat petite 6-prong engagement ring with a hidden halo. This is so pretty and I love the design, I love the style so much. So the next thing we're gonna do the comparison. I happen to have almost the exact same ring, and the one I have it is the real diamond and this is the moissanite. I'm gonna put them in the same finger so you can take a look at the difference. So here we are. So the one I have it is a 2-carat diamond, is a VVS, and this is the 3-carat of moissanite, and you can see the difference. Now when I compare them, you can see the moissanite is more bright, surprisingly, and it's more sparkly, I feel, because the color is more bright. So you can see the difference side by side. Is the one, the metal, and they do come with a white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold with a different price, but overall their price is so affordable. A very good quality of the ring. They also give you a lot of choice. You can choose the stone size. They have the 1 carat, 2 carat, 3 carat, so it depends how you like it. And this is the one, and let me just give you another look. You definitely cannot tell whether this is a real diamond or not. For me, myself, I live in the biggest city and I really wear the diamond ring to go out because I just afraid something happen. I think this is good for me as an alternative one in a daily life. I can wear anytime I want to. So this is one of them. Now let's do the comparison of this one. This is 1.5 petite 6-prong hidden hero engagement ring. So I'm gonna wear this one and compare with my real diamond ring. Here is the one. The one I have it is a real diamond. I believe it's 1.79 carat, and this one is 1.5. When I wear them together, I was surprised. The 1.5 looks even bigger than the one I have. I think it's because moissanite is much brighter than my real ring. Don't you think so? So this is how it looks, so stunning. So if I wear it itself, you're definitely not able to tell whether this is real diamond or not. So it is so pretty. And this one, I just love it, and I will wear as the everyday ring. This is much affordable with a high quality. I would highly recommend it. Go check out their official website and they do come with a different size, different ring size, and different metal. The stone, they also have a 1 carat, 2 carats, 3 carats, depends your needs. So you can ask them to customize your ring, and it is very good alternative ring, I think. And especially right now, we're all in the recession, and people don't want to spend a lot of money in certain things. Lab grown diamond or moissanite is a good alternative for real diamond ring, because you guys know real diamond ring costs so much money, and also you guys know choosing a diamond is not an easy thing to do, because it has so many factors when you pick a good diamond. If you choose a rubber grown diamond or the moissanite, it will be so much easier. Price for the lab grown diamond and moissanite is so much affordable. However, their quality is still very good. So I will link their website in my description box. Same, I have a coupon code for you guys. You can take an additional discount. I think whether you are married or you are going to marry, you can think alternative ring like this. It will save you a lot of money. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.